Your love is bright as ever, even in the shadows. Baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I have another get ready with me. I just wanted to sit down, record this look for you guys. It's a real fresh kind of look because we're gonna get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and go subscribe. You subscribed yet? I'm not gonna get into the video until you hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into the video.
Alright, in this video, it looks like, babe, you look like the lady from Star Wars. Alright, I'm blending the stuff above my eyes. I don't know what we call this. It's light though. Babe, it's light. I see it. We bought this from, I don't know where we bought that from. Alright, I'm blending my bad attitude in with my good vibes on my hooded eye. I'm always talking about, she always talking about hooded eye. That's great. Where you putting that? Oh no, babe. That's great. That's gold. You got on two faces. Gon' kiss me and leave one of your faces on me. Now you wiping it off. That slow motion, I couldn't read it. Okay, left side, right side, top, nose, lip. On a little stash, little forehead. Those are waist. Left all that stuff on that coffee cup. Okay, we blending the sides. That's fit me. We blend. What was that? That's an art project. Okay, we blend it on the nose, on the chin. I guess that's the noise it's making. You got it, babe. And this is the sponge. The sponge just blend the stuff around. You see it blended all that gray. That stuff was gray and it was gold. And it blended all that stuff together. Damn, then you putting that on top. You was straight. Now you putting this on top of that. You look good now. How you still light skinned after all this stuff you putting on here and you still light skinned? That stuff is in your eye. You put that stuff in your eye. She heard me too. She looked up. You saw her. Blend, sponge, sponge, sponge. She got that in her sideburn. You got it. Now you're gonna have to sponge your sideburn. That's a crease. You got creases on the side. People don't do creases no more. She blending it. This is white. This look like white powder, y'all. How the Jesus. White is gone. She blended it into the second face. She blended the third face into the second face and made one face. And this is something else she putting on the third face. I don't know if we considering this okay, she blending that. That's in addition to the third. We've been looking at that bump 5 minutes. You just noticed it. Blend, blend, sideburn, blend. Yeah, get the other sideburn. She the Dominican Madam C.J. Walker. Blend, blend, blend. I don't know, it's a lot of brushes. It's a lot of brushes she coming up with. Like that's a totally different brush. I was in the same conversation and she switched brushes. I don't know. That looked like Chris Brown album cover 3 years ago. She just blended it into her face. That's face number 4. Uh-oh. She got this peach flavored stuff she putting on there. Okay, blend, 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 rosy, rosy, blend, blend. It's going on the cheek, and she put all that white stuff on there. Now she putting this peach color stuff. I don't know what they're doing. It look like a little Chinese fan. She just rubbing her face with it. She let her hair down. She putting this shrimp flavored line on. There I go. Hurry it up, hurry it up, hurry it up. Yeah. That's that shrimp flavored stuff. She blended it well though. I know I'm gonna be wearing a few of them faces later on tonight. Kissing me and stuff. Curling the bang. That's a 12-year-old curling iron. Curling, 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 curling. You look good. Oh, you look good, girl. What's your name? What is your name? How you say that in Spanish, babe? So you're not gonna tell me? Alright, it don't matter. It's time to go, y'all. I think she looked good enough. So we finna wrap it up. But y'all do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe to the page. Check back to the page for more videos. I don't know. I might get in them. I might not. Y'all be blessed. I love you, babe. Let's go. Let's go get something to eat.
You always hungry.